GlideOS is really built around this concept of a project. And a project is a place where you can build multiple apps with shared resources, shared data, secrets, even code. And right now I've made this task tracker for John Deere. And I want to tell Glide, please save all of the notes I've given you on look and feel of this app to our project memory and insist that all projects conform to the style that we've started to demonstrate here. So every project has a shared memory system that you can read and write to. It's just a file that's stored in your project directory. So in this conversation to this point, I've been giving some style feedback about how to apply John Deere branding. And now the agent is going to write this up in the project memory. And every single chat in your project will share this memory file. Great. So it saved all of our design preferences. Now, if I bring in a new chat to make another app, those project-wide instructions are included in every new chat. And it's just behind the scenes. You don't even have to think about it. Okay, so here we have the conference app that we asked it to make, and you can see that it's applied sort of consistent styling. And we can even open the apps in split view to see them together and kind of judge them against each other. So that is just the project memory feature. And in addition to styling, you can save any of your preferences and see it reflected across your apps.